Hello, welcome back everyone. So, in our last video, we learned how to scale your service using Kubernetes, right? We scaled our deployment to have 3 replicas, and we had 3 replicas and 3 pods available. You can see 3 pods are available which were running, okay? In the next section of this tutorial, we have rolling out an upgrade to your service part. So, at, what does this step tell us? That at some point, the app that you deploy to production will require bug fixes or additional features. Kubernetes can help you deploy a new version to production without impacting your users. So in real world, how we deploy our application to production is using CI and CD, production or any other environment. In enterprises, that's how we do it. We don't use Kubernetes rolling out an upgrade or these commands. We create new image all the time, and we use CI and CD for that. But I think this is still a good tutorial. Guys, please correct me if you know that using Kubernetes we are pushing out our updates to the production or QA or anywhere. If you know of such systems, please let me know in the comment section. How do you do it as well? Like, what are the steps that you follow in your pipeline to do this? If you know of such a system, but from what I have seen is you use CI/CD pipelines. You don't go and manually set the image, okay? So, but still, I think this is going to be helpful for us to understand how Kubernetes works. We are going to make a change in our code and deploy that changed code onto our Kubernetes cluster with a new image, okay? The first step to do that is open the code editor by clicking open editor. What do you mean by that? There is an open editor button here, okay? Just use this. When you're using it for the first time, since I am using it for the first time, you'll see such connecting messages. I'm not sure. Okay, the connection was lost, but I restored it. I stopped the video, restored it. I'm sorry I could not record that, but I think it's gonna be like, for you it's gonna be intuitive. You just by looking at it, you're gonna figure out that the connection has been lost, okay? So as soon as you click on open editor, you see this window. Let's see, let's go to the explorer, okay? Let's go to open folder. So this is the location which we were on using Cloud Shell, right? So it's opening the same folder from here. This is the project that we had checked out. This was the folder inside which we were: src main java com example spring boot. Okay, inside spring boot there is hello controller.java, a git repository found in the parent folders. Okay, there are some messages coming up. Would you like to open the repository? Let us just close this for now. So in the hello controller, the message was greetings from spring boot. It is asking us to modify the hello controller.java so that we change the responding message to greetings from Google Kubernetes engine, okay? This is a very small change, guys, but we are trying to tell you that if there is any incremental change, how do you push that to image and hence to the Kubernetes installations that are available. Okay, I just make the change and then I control S. Do I control S? I've made this change. Let me just make sure that whatever change I have made is okay. Okay, the change that I have made is okay. And third step is to use gib to build and push a new version of the container image. Building and pushing the updated image should be much quicker as you take full advantage of caching. So it's just asking me to run this command. It's going to create an image with this name now, image name hello java v2 with these code changes. I'm going to go back to the terminal and run this. Okay, there is one more way using which I can figure out if my code changes are saved. Okay, I'll do that once this pushing of the image gets finished. Okay, it's finished. Let's do an ls. Let's do cdsrc cd main cd java cd com cd example cd exam cd spring boot cd hello, no sorry, let's do a vi hello controller. So what does vi do? Vi will open the file. Okay, see the message is greetings from Google Kubernetes engine. So the file has been changed. To move out of the file, escape :q, just get out. We are back to where we were. Okay, let's move back. So we had run step number 3, and what it says is use zip to build and push a new version of the container image. So we pushed version 2. Building and pushing the updated image should be much quicker. It was quicker. You're ready for Kubernetes to smoothly update your application controller to the new version of the app. Okay, now you're ready. Step number 4 is, in order to change the image label for your running container, you need to edit the existing Hello Java deployment and change the image from this Java v1 to Java v2. Notice the only difference between these two is the images v1 and v2. Step number 5. You can use the kubectl set image command to ask Kubernetes to deploy the new version of your app across the entire cluster, one instance at a time with rolling updates. So when you run this command kubectl set image, this new image will be set on hello java deployment. Okay, instead of the old image which was v1. Okay, let's run this. Okay, it is giving me a message deployment hello java image updated, which is what we should expect. Step number 6 is check HTTP external IP 8080 again to see that it's returning the new response. I have the page still open. The new response has been changed to greetings from Google Kubernetes engine. So we are pointing to the new image version. So we have rolled out an upgrade to your service. In the next step, we are going to roll back this upgrade as well. That is step number 11 here. So please stay tuned.